Hey, what's up guys? Donnie here from Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, we're going to do a range test today. We got a little bit of wind, about 5 miles an hour, 7 mile an hour gusts. I'm out here on Central Coast, California, Monterey County. So I'm going to do a range test with the Mavic Air without the range extender. So we're going to try the flight first without the range extender. And I'm going to see, how far I can get, and then we'll go to the range extender right after that, guys. So stay tuned for this. Let's move that out of the way. There we go. Okay, we're gonna see how far we can go. It's fighting the wind right now. We got about 5 to 7 mile an hour winds right now, guys. So we're gonna go and check it out. Let it get its bearings. Home point is set. So here we go, guys. We got the MD 16 filter right now. So I'm going to take this thing up. Pretty sunny right here where I'm at, so I'm going to go up to pretty good height right now. I'm going to go out to its max height of just under 400 feet, guys. So alright, we're almost up to 400 feet. Strong aircraft interference, I'm sorry, it says. Okay, let's go to the max, because I want to go out there and see. There we go. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's point out there towards the Pacific Ocean. Fog's coming in, so I'm going to put it in sport mode. Stop right here. Put it in sport mode. We're still recording. Here we go. Still not too bad. I wish the fog wasn't coming in. I should have did this a little earlier. So we got 3 bars on the Wi-Fi. You can barely see the PG&E plant right there, right under the in-flight GPS symbol there. We're at 2,000 feet. Got 1 bar left. That's the slough right there. Elkhorn Slough. Wake signal blocking. Alright, we're still pushing. Okay, lost signal right now. It says lost signal right now. Let's see if I can. Oh, I can still move it. Picked up a little bit of signal, guys. There's a little bit of the slough right there that leads out to the Pacific Ocean. Where I'm facing is actually Santa Cruz, California. You can't see it right now due to the fog that came in because it is like 3 in the afternoon. Okay, we're coming back. All right, 3,200 feet, 200 something feet. So we're coming back. Alright, and then I'm going to go and test out the range extender and see if the range extender gets me out there any further, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, here we go. Let's do another test with the range extenders. Gonna go up almost 400 feet to its max. Here we go, we're heading out. Actually, I'm gonna stop, put it in sport mode. Alright, we're in sport mode, going up and out. Up and out. Here we go, guys. See if I could do better.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Let me come over to the right a little bit here. Alright. Just beautiful out there, guys. I'm telling you, what a beautiful day today. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Getting motor error. I wonder if it's from that download. Check your propellers. Look, yep, that software update messed everything up. Coming on a mile out almost. It's from that new software update from DJI, so I'm thinking that it's causing problems for everybody. So, all right. No data available, so it's coming back. Here we go, guys. Here it comes. Yep, there it is. Pretty high up there. Obviously the range extenders were going to work a lot further. Let me take it off sport mode and stop recording. Let me turn it around. Perfect. There we go, guys. Just like that.